I'm Angelo.
We're here to tell you about a special program kicking off in your school today.
That program is called Major Saver. Major Saver is a district-wide fundraiser that helps raise money for your school and your school district.
In this video, we will share everything that you will need to know about the Major Saver campaign. We will tell you about the Major Saver card that you will be selling, how to sell the Major Saver card, rules to follow for safe selling, and the fun prizes you can earn for participating.
The first thing we need to do is talk about our Major Saver envelope. Each of you will be getting a packet that looks just like this. When you get your packet, I need you to do two things. The first thing you need to do is put your name on it. There is a spot for your name and your teacher's name. Please fill in both. After you put your name on your packet, please put it in your backpack or your folder and take it home to share with your family. There is a lot of important information on the front of your packet. It's going to tell you why we are raising money. It's going to tell you about the important dates to turn in your money. And it's going to tell you about the Major Saver card.
That's right, Angelo. This card that you're selling is going to help raise money for your school and school district. The Major Saver card costs $15. On the back of the Major Saver card are 17 local businesses in your school district area, and each business has a buy one, get one free offer. So if you know people that like to go out to eat, save some money, and have a great time, this will be a perfect card for them.
Now that you know what you're selling, let's send it over to Chris to learn how to sell and the rules for being safe. Hey Chris, catch.
Bro, you almost hit me.
Hi, my name's Chris. I'm here to tell you guys how to sell the Major Saver cards, the important rules to follow when selling the cards, and lastly, the cool prizes you can earn this year. As Angelo mentioned earlier, each of you will be going home today with a packet that looks just like this. The first thing you'll notice is a picture of both the front and back of the Major Saver card. It'll show that the card sells for $15 and lists the 17 participating businesses that are on the Major Saver card this year. If someone would like to purchase a Major Saver card, you're going to write their name over here in this orange box, how many cards he or she would like to buy, and you're going to put their cash or check in the envelope. Bring it back to school with you on one of the collection days listed here on your packet. The Major Saver representative will come around, collect your money, give you your cards and your prizes at the very same time. If someone would like to buy a Major Saver card online with a credit or debit card, simply have them go to www.majorsaver.com. They can select a card in their area and credit you, the student, back here at your school. Please note, all online sales will be mailed directly to the customer. At Major Saver, we only have 3 rules, but they're very important. So whatever you do, please follow these rules when selling.
Rule number 1, ask for parents' permission to sell. If mom or dad say it's okay, talk with them about who would be a good person to sell to. Rule number 2, do not go door to door to sell Major Saver. Only sell to people that you know. Rule number 3, always have an adult with you when you are selling your cards.
Hey there, I'm Stacy, and I'm here to tell you about all the great prizes you guys can win for selling the Major Saver cards. These prizes are cumulative, which means the more cards you sell, the more prizes you get. Let's get started.
Sell 1 card. Earn the Hip Hop Hopper. Sell 3 cards. Earn the 2-in-1 Super Saucer Launcher. Sell 6 cards. Earn the Light Up Super Suction Dart. Sell 10 cards. Earn a limo ride to a pizza party. Sell 12 cards. Earn a Bluetooth speaker or UFO flyer. Sell 15 cards. Earn ear pods or an LED message board. Sell 20 cards. Earn a soccer, taco, or burger light. Sell 30 cards. Earn the grilled cheese toaster, donut toaster, dancing robot. Sell 50 cards. Earn the 19-inch flat screen TV or a 5.5-inch Amazon Alexa show.
Wow, that's a lot of cool stuff you can win. But there's still one special bonus prize you can get for the first
Day 1 bonus. For every card sold on the first day, earn a Moody Mate keychain. Collect them all.
pretty cool bonus prize. Now, let's review all the stuff that we've learned.
Remember, 2 things when you get your packet. Put your name on it and take it home to share with your family.
The Major Saver card costs $15 and has 17 buy one, get one free offers.
You will use the pictures on the front of your packet to help you sell Major Saver cards. Collect the money, bring it in on a daily basis, and a Major Saver representative will give you your cards and your prizes the same day you turn your money in. People can also purchase cards online with a credit card. Don't forget about the 3 rules. Never go door-to-door selling, get your family's permission to participate, and always have an adult with you.
Major Saver prizes are cumulative, which means the more cards you sell, the more prizes you can earn. Plus, we have the special bonus for all the students who can sell the specific amount of cards by the first day.
Well, that's all the information that we have for you today. If you have any questions about this fundraiser, please read your packet.
Don't forget about the important dates to turn in your money, plus that special bonus prize on the first day. We look forward to visiting with each of you soon.
If you would like to view this video again, please go to youtube.com/MajorSaverAssembly or go to the Major Saver website, majorsaver.com. Good luck selling!